Are you looking for the perfect adventure with your friends? In this video, I'm going to share my top tips on how to make sure everyone has a great time and comes home with memories that will last forever. I'm an avid traveler. I've been traveling since I was young, but it wasn't until recently that I started to explore the world with my closest friends. For me, there's no better way to bond than through travel and having amazing experiences together. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make the most of your travels with your friends. Get ready for an incredible journey, let's go. 1. Budget and plan. Planning a trip can be fun and hard. Make it easier by creating a budget with your friends. Decide how much money you want to spend on things like flights, places to stay, food, and entertainment. Share the costs so everyone pays their share. This way everyone knows what to expect and has enough money for the trip. 2. Divide and conquer. Planning a group trip with friends is easier when you divide up the work. One person can find where to stay, like a cabin or hotel. Another person can book flights or rent a car. Everyone can help make sure no details are forgotten. For example, my friends and I planned a vacation to Spain together. I looked for restaurants and attractions while someone else brought all the things we needed. We split up the work so that the trip was fun and not stressful. 3. Rules are rules. Boundaries are important when you go on a trip. Make ground rules like how decisions will be made and how to solve problems. Respect each other's privacy too. Give people time alone, don't go in their space without asking, and don't ask them questions they don't want to answer. Setting boundaries helps make your trip better for everyone and keeps problems away. 4. Make it affordable. Going on a trip with your friends can be fun, but it can be hard to find a place everyone likes and can afford. Nashville, Tennessee is a great choice. It has music, food, adventures outside and museums. There are also places to stay that are not too expensive and lots of free things to do. Don't miss out on the chance to explore this exciting place with your best friends. 5. Emergency planning. Traveling with your friends is fun and you can make special memories. It's important to be safe when traveling. Have a plan for what to do if something bad happens. Check in with each other often and have someone be the contact person if anyone gets lost. Bring things like a first aid kit and extra phone chargers, so everyone knows where they are in case of an emergency. Follow these steps to make sure your trip is safe and all your memories are happy ones. 6. Bring your own stuff. Traveling with your friends can be lots of fun, but sometimes you need some time by yourself. Bring items that make you feel relaxed, like books, music, or your favorite TV show. You can read a book, listen to music, or watch your show when you want to take a break from everyone else. Bringing along things that make you happy will help make sure your trip with friends is great. 7. Keep in touch. When you travel with friends, it is easy to get lost. Stay in touch with them. This way, if someone gets lost, you can find each other quickly. For example, if someone goes to look at something and you can't find them, send a text message and then meet back up again. Staying connected makes sure that everyone is safe and has fun on the trip. 8. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Traveling with your friends is so much fun. You can laugh, do something new, and have adventures together. Take pictures of everything. Get pictures of your friends in front of pretty places, the food you eat, or just take silly photos. This way you can look back on your trip and remember how much fun it was. Don't forget to bring a camera so you can keep these memories forever. Remember to talk, be nice, and plan ahead when going on a trip with friends. Have fun and make lots of memories. Get your stuff ready and get ready for an awesome journey. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more travel tips. Tell me about your favorite travel moments with your friends in the comments.